Okay, let me tell you about the boosters. Super important, all right? So you guys heard the news. FDA and then the CDC came out approving this. They approved a second booster, which is a fourth shot for people who are healthy, 50 years of age and older. This is really important because a lot of you guys have been asking for a long time, when is this fourth shot going to be out? Well, it's been FDA approved. So this is the way it would work. Where are my notes? Here it is. This is the way it would work, okay? You've gotten the first 2 doses of Moderna or Pfizer. You then got your booster, which was your 3rd dose, right? And thank you guys so much for sending stars. You guys are like so sweet. God bless you. Like I'm over here feeling like I'm been run over by a truck and you guys are like the sweetest. Oh my gosh. So you got your Moderna or Pfizer first 2 doses. You got your booster. Whenever you got your booster, the first booster, you, 50 years of age and older, healthy folks, are eligible for your second booster, which is your 4th dose, as long as it's been 4 months since your first booster. Moderna, Pfizer 1, Moderna, Pfizer 2, this was your booster. Now you can get your second booster. It's got to be 4 months after the first one, okay? That would be your 4th shot. That's your 4th shot. Now, the FDA and the CDC have approved that as of today. This is the thing, though. The CDC is calling this a permissive recommendation. It's not like a hard and fast recommendation. It's called a permissive recommendation because the science is a little bit mixed. Doctors do feel a little bit like, So they're not making it a hard and fast, but they are allowing people to make the choice to get the booster. You know how I feel. If there's a booster to be gotten, I'm going to get it, okay? That's just me. You want to talk to your doctor. The other thing people are saying is that maybe to prepare for if we get a BA2. Wait, what time is it? Okay, a BA2 Omicron surge, okay? And we know that BA2 is a higher percentage of COVID cases now than it has been in the past. But if we actually get a surge in these cases, which is what we would be possibly concerned about, hospitalizations, et cetera, this would protect us, okay? So that's the 4th shot, okay? Now, if y'all got J&J, let's say you got J&J, because I know the J&J folks always feel left out. If you got J&J number 1, and then you got a J&J booster, you too are eligible for your second booster, which is shot number 3, as long as it's been 4 months since your first booster or your second shot. Does that make sense? So if you got J&J and J&J, you can do a second booster too. It's just got to be 4 months. All right? So if you got J&J, and a booster, that's 3 shots. Healthy, mRNA, that's 4 shots. Now, y'all, there are people who are actually eligible. Put this down. There are people who are actually now eligible for their 5th shot. Let me explain who that is, because I know that we have friends of our page, and I have people I know, patients, etc., that qualify for this. Remember, before today, there were some people already recommended for 4 doses. Those people were those who were immunocompromised, okay? Weakened immune system due to cancer, due to transplant, organ transplant, stem cell transplant, major immunosuppressants. People who are majorly immunosuppressed have already been able to get those 4 doses. Remember why? Because instead of their first series being 2 shots, it's always been 3, or it's been recommended lately to be 3. So they've had 3 shots as their booster, 3 shots as their primary series, because they don't mount a good immune response. Then they could get their booster, which was the 4th shot. Since now the second booster is approved for them as well, that actually means a 5th shot for those who are immunocompromised in a major way, due to medications, due to steroids, due to transplant, due to cancer, etc. This second booster or 5th shot still needs to be given 4 months after their first booster. Remember, their primary series is 3 shots, okay? Then they got their first booster, that was their number 4. Then they can get their second booster, okay?